Good morning, Steve Reed with the morning grain comments. Well, yesterday the markets were called steady, maybe a little bit higher due to 9 days of continued hot, dry conditions in central and north Brazil, and also wet conditions in southern Brazil. Crop conditions in Argentina and the Black Sea are normal, where it again remains too wet in Europe. Right now we've got soybean prices up 5 cents at $13.52 in the Jan. Dees corn is unchanged at $4.63, while Dees wheat is down 4 cents at $5.70. Traders are buying meal, selling oil overnight. Stock market's lower. Crude's about unchanged, near $77, and you got the dollar also about unchanged. Again, outside markets are concerned about increasing U.S. debt, offering resistance to the U.S. dollar, and that the higher and longer Fed policy of interest rates could bring more reduced consumer disposable income, which could slow demand for commodities. And we also note that the consumer confidence continues to decline. China data also suggests their economy remains slow, which could reduce their commodity import demand. The aftermath of the USDA report continues to offer resistance to corn. When we look at global export trade in wheat, it's down as some northern Africa and Middle East countries are scrambling for money to buy imported wheat. Russia continues to offer wheat at discounted prices, which weighs on the wheat market. Still dry in the southern plains, not a lot of rain forecasted there for emergence. But again, farmers would rather take rains in April there than in November. In the soybeans, one of the grain exporters said that in the last few days, China's bought 3 million tons of U.S. soybeans. This before the meeting this week between President Xi of China and President Biden of the United States. We'll see what they discuss with relationships, one of the lowest on record. We also note that the outside markets, again, concerned about commodity demand, offers resistance to many commodity prices. Dalian rapeseed futures, Dalian palm oil, soybean oil are higher, while soybean and soybean meal are lower. It's interesting in that the Labor Department data suggests there are 9.7 million more jobs wanted in the U.S. than workers. So again, soybeans in this $13.25 to $13.75 range. Corn at the lower end of $4.60 to $5 range, and Chicago wheat $5.50 to $6.